Welcome back to Living Local. Vera French Community Mental Health Center is stepping up to the plate this weekend to break the stigma around mental health. The River Bandits are teaming up with Vera French and hosting their annual Mental Health Awareness baseball game with fun activities planned for the entire family. And joining us today to tell us a little bit more is Dr. Rich Whitaker, CEO of Vera French Community Mental Health Center, which is also this segment's sponsor. Dr. Rich, so great to have you back again.
Great to be here. Thank you.
Okay, so May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and we've talked a lot about mental health awareness over the past few weeks. You've had a lot of activities planned as well this past month, so tell us what you've done so far and what else you have planned.
All right. Well, you know, we started out the month with the Mental Health for Healthy Living Conference, which was a free conference to everybody. We were super excited to see a lot of people come there. We had a special guest, and also during the month we've done some nice activities for our staff and just tried to make it a special month, kind of one of celebration the whole month.
Yeah, for all the hard work that you guys have done too.
Absolutely.
For sure.
Yep.
Tell us more about the Mental Health Awareness Night at the ballpark, and that's coming up Friday, correct?
Actually it's coming right up. So every year, this is our 5th annual Mental Health Awareness Night at the ballpark. We have it down at the Modern Woodman Park. It's a time when we actually provide a free night of baseball for all of our staff and their guests. And even our volunteer board members get to come as well. But we'll all sit together. We'll enjoy some great ballpark food, and even have somebody throw out the first pitch, and I get to say a few words, and then it's just lots of fun during the night. So
yeah, and you mentioned this is the 5th year for the event. Are there any events you're bringing back this year that's been so successful in the past that everyone says, hey, bring
absolutely.
that back?
So one of the things that we're doing is that the team will wear a special jersey that's got the green on it. Maybe the green ribbon. I've got one here on my my tag here, but you know, thinking about mental health as the mental health month, green is the color. We'll just have a lot of fun together, you know, and try to make it a special night for everybody. We'll show one of our commercials up on the big Jumbotron, so should be fun.
Yeah, definitely. And how do you think that this event breaks the stigma around mental health and mental illness?
Well, you know, baseball is just about as American and as normal as anything else. You know, going to a baseball game is something everybody can enjoy. Well, it's just like that with mental health. We all have, you know, we have need to take care of our mental health. Mental illness is pretty common. In fact, there was a recent study that said 51% of families have experienced recently a significant mental health event in their family. So maybe not all of us have a mental illness, but it's certainly not out of the ordinary. It's as common as baseball. And so that's kind of the message that, hey, we can all you know, get together around this topic and support each other. Right.
Because so many people are going through the same things, you know, that you might be going through. What would be the most important message you want to share about mental health?
You know, mental illness is treatable. It's normal, it's a part of life, and it's treatable. And it doesn't have to be a big negative or a character deficit or anything like that. It's just as normal as having any other kind of illness. And it is treatable. We've got treatments available. It's as easy as coming into our same-day access at one of our clinics, either the clinic at Central Park in Davenport or the new clinic at Duck Creek in Bettendorf. Those are both open. Every day there's a same-day access time that you can just come in and get that mental health evaluation.
We've always said, you know, if you have a cold or you're sick, you go to the doctor. You get medicine, you get that, you know, get that looked at, you get fixed. Same with mental health. Why not go and get that checked out?
That's the message. You don't have to struggle with it, suffer with it, or feel embarrassed or ashamed about it. Just go get help. It's brain health. It's part of your body.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, so this Friday is an employee and volunteer board member appreciation event. So what do you do to make it special for those working for Vera French who are working and volunteering for you guys?
Well, everybody's going to be sitting together. We're all going to be wearing our Vera French t-shirts. We're going to get a special shout out. And actually, everybody that comes from our staff gets a little voucher for a great baseball park food. So
awesome!
Everybody's going to be eating hot dogs together.
You love that, love that. All right, and you have some special memories too from this event over the years. Is there anything that stands out to you and your staff that you would like to share?
Well, the first night we did this 5 years ago now. Our foundation executive director, Nathan Songeroth, sat in the dunk tank.
Oh, yeah.
And he was in that dunk tank for probably an hour. And one of our great therapists felt sorry for the little kids trying to throw the ball. And so she would go over and help them push the button. So he went down probably 50, 60 times. I think he got a cold from that night.
He probably did. He probably did. That water's cold.
Yeah.
No matter how warm it is.
We haven't done the dunk tank since then, but
it sounds like we need to maybe bring that back next year.
Hey, that's not a bad idea. I probably have to sit in it this time, though.
Oh, no. All right. Well, Dr. Rich, thank you so much for coming in to talk to us about this event coming up.
You bet. Thank you.
All right. Again, this segment was sponsored by Vera French Community Mental Health Center. And for more information, you can go to verafrenchmhc.org. We'll also have all those details posted on ourquadcities.com.